What's the meaning of bluesy? Bluesy. Bluesy.
Bluesy. Bluesy. Bluesy is an adjective that describes something that has qualities reminiscent of blues music. Typically, it's used to describe a sound or style that has a soulful, melancholy, and deep feel. This term can be applied to music that is primarily based on the blues genre, such as traditional blues, Delta blues, Chicago blues, and others. It can also be used more widely to describe other art forms, including literature, film, and visual arts, that evoke feelings of sadness or nostalgia. Overall, bluesy refers to a mood or atmosphere that is characterized by emotional depth, introspection, and a sense of longing.